Imagine earning crypto, not by mining in a warehouse, but by powering the future of wireless internet. Welcome to Helium, the People's Network. Helium, known by its token symbol HNT, is one of the most innovative projects in the crypto space. Launched in 2019, Helium flips the script on wireless infrastructure. Instead of relying on big telecom giants to build 5G and IoT networks, Helium puts that power in the hands of the people. Here's how it works. You set up a Helium hotspot, a small device that provides wireless coverage for smart devices in your area. Think of it like Wi-Fi for the Internet of Things. Smart dog collars, bike trackers, smart city sensors, delivery drones, and more. Every time your hotspot helps transfer data, you earn HNT. It's crypto mining, but energy efficient, low cost, and done from your living room. And this isn't just some crypto fantasy. Helium's network already covers tens of thousands of cities, with over 1 million hotspots deployed worldwide. Even bigger, Helium has migrated to Solana, giving it faster speeds, lower fees, and a serious upgrade in performance. Who's behind this? The project was founded by Is Helium, backed by heavyweights like Andreessen Horowitz, Multicoin Capital, and Union Square Ventures. Helium isn't just a coin, it's a movement. A decentralized wireless network built by the people for the devices of the future. And in a world where data powers everything, owning part of that infrastructure. That's more than a flex, that's an opportunity. This is Dealmaker's den, where we don't wait for the future. We mine it, we build it, we earn from it. Subscribe now, because the next network revolution might be right in your neighborhood.